FM, ladies and gentlemen.
Moonlight Harvest, Copper Moon.
Let him get
Got a
close.
bottle of wine, it's down to there. I'm gonna try and drink as much as I can in one sip.
We're gonna see how this attempt goes.
I haven't even tried this shit. It
Back
looks
up the
fucking...
video a little bit.
Oh, it smells rank as balls.
Thanks.
It's 13%.
My baby got me that.
We're gonna get drunk. We're gonna get drunk.
White boy wasted.
Just don't try to break our TV.
Cause tonight we're getting fucked up. This guy's just going. He's in the trailer park or some shit.
Oh, that's so rank. He's like, it's not that bad.
Like a boss. Like a boss. Oh, look at this fucker. Is he taking it down to the dome?
That's disgusting!
Where the fuck
Look, it's gone. It is gone, ladies and gentlemen.
What? Look at this fucking...
Was it gross?
Look at little Pooch McGooch.
Oh, you smell so bad.
Pooch McGooch was fucking...
He smells like a native.
He cut it. He cut his forehead shaving, by the way.
Cut it, cut it.
Cut it. He's gonna gurp.
Cut it, man.
He's gonna gurp.
I would gurp.
Cut it.
He cutting it until you gurp.
I'm not gonna grip, I'm good.
It's not